Hey investors, welcome back to Modest Money. Today we're tackling a question that's on the mind of every serious stock researcher. Is Seeking Alpha still a reliable platform for stock research, or has it lost its edge in the ever-evolving world of investing tools? Let's be real, Seeking Alpha has been a go-to resource for millions of investors, offering everything from analyst ratings to in-depth articles and community insights. But with so many new platforms popping up, is it still the powerhouse it once was? In this Seeking Alpha review, I'll break down the good, the bad, and the unexpected. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's still worth your time and your money. So, let's dive in. Seeking Alpha has established itself as the world's leading investment community, empowering millions of investors to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Every day, investors connect on the platform to discover and share new ideas. They debate stock merits and stay ahead of market trends. But what really sets Seeking Alpha apart is its unparalleled breadth and depth of content, covering everything from stocks, ETFs, and manual funds to commodities and even cryptocurrency. Their proprietary Quant algorithm analyzes nearly all US securities, identifying stocks with the strongest metrics compared to their sector. And the results speak for themselves. Seeking Alpha's strong buy stock picks are currently outperforming the market by more than 4 to 1. But don't take my word for it. Let's dive into the user reviews to get a balanced perspective on Seeking Alpha, because the best way to judge a platform is by what the user thinks of it. Now, when analyzing any stock research platform, it's usually a good idea to start with the one-star reviews. And after that, these highlight the worst case scenarios, so we'll get to the 5-star reviews after. But the 1-star reviews, these are things that the users have struggled with and they're important to know. And in this case, the biggest complaints seem to revolve around billing issues, specifically the unexpected charges during trial periods and difficulties with refunds. One user shared his frustration after signing up for a trial, only to discover a $325 charge on his credit card before the trial even ended. He immediately opened a support ticket, only to find it mysteriously closed without any response. To make matters worse, his account history showed only a single $5.99 transaction, leaving no trace of the larger charge. Understandably, that kind of experience can be incredibly frustrating and confusing. However, it's important that you understand this. Seeking Alpha has a massive user base, with millions of subscribers, yet complaints about these types of billing issues are relatively scarce. And if this were a widespread problem, you'd probably expect to see thousands of similar reports flooding forums and review sites, but that's not the case. Instead, these complaints appear to be isolated incidents that, while they're unfortunate, they're not representative of the typical user experience. It's also worth noting that companies dealing with high volumes of subscriptions and cancellations will inevitably run into occasional disputes. Sometimes these can be the result of misunderstandings about trial terms, users forgetting to cancel, or technical glitches that prevent cancellations from properly registering. While no company is perfect, the fact that these issues seem to affect only a small fraction of users suggests that they are the outliers rather than the norm. That said, if you are concerned about accidental charges or auto renewals, taking some basic precautions can give you extra peace of mind. Some users find it helpful to take screenshots of their cancellation confirmation and to follow up with an email to ensure it's properly recorded. Others set a reminder a few days before their trial ends to make sure that they don't get caught off guard. And in the rare case that a charge does go through unexpectedly, disputing it with your credit card provider is always an option. But while a handful of users have had frustrating experiences, the vast majority of reviews tell a completely different story. For instance, one customer praised Seeking Alpha's customer service, sharing how he received a refund in less than a day after reporting a subscription issue. He emphasized how the company values its clients and makes them feel comfortable reaching out for support. There we go. That's a sign that the company does, in many cases, take customer service seriously. Another user praised the platform for its comprehensive equity research tools, particularly the analyst section, which allows him to see multiple perspectives on a stock before making a decision. He also highlighted how this feature gives him an edge in his investments by helping him weigh different viewpoints instead of relying on a single narrative. These reviews underscore the platform's strengths, its commitment to customer satisfaction, and its ability to deliver valuable insights for equity research. All right, to me, the market-beating returns and great customer ratings are the result of the powerful features offered by Seeking Alpha. The features are what give the platform its value. Let's see. I think one of my favorite features is the extensive library of articles they have. These articles cover an extremely wide range of topics, from fundamental analysis and investment strategies to market news and stock picks. I think that whether you're a casual investor looking for some advice or a research-driven investor who really likes to dig deep into the data, really look down into the details, I think Seeking Alpha has something for everyone. The article sidebar is another feature that I think deserves mention. It enhances the user experience by providing a stock price chart, stock details, and author ratings right next to the article. This is incredibly helpful for distinguishing between credible and non-credible authors. You get valuable insights into market sentiment and author credibility, which is crucial for making informed investment decisions. When it comes to investment ideas, it's clear to me that Seeking Alpha really shines here. They categorize over 10,000 articles per month into types like long ideas, editor's picks, and stock ideas by sector. This makes it easy for me and other investors to navigate potential investments across different market segments. Now, I want to talk about the Quant rating system. Seeking Alpha has a proprietary rating system called the Quant Rating System that rates assets from a strong sell to a strong buy. It's a powerful tool for investors looking into a quantitative edge. The platform claims that a portfolio based on their strong buy ratings could significantly outperform the S&P 500. Factor grading is another essential feature. Seeking Alpha offers factor scorecards for over 5,600 individual stocks. These scorecards include grades for valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and revisions, updated daily. This feature makes it easy to get a quick snapshot of a stock to see if it matches what you're looking for. And if you're looking for new stock picks that fit your criteria, the Stock Screener is a tool you'll want to use. It not only includes standard stock data, but also incorporates stock ratings and author analysis. You can even create custom stock screeners to suit your specific needs. For those who need to stay updated, Seeking Alpha provides portfolio alerts and monitoring. You can sync the platform with your brokerage and receive real-time email alerts about your assets. This feature is very customizable. You can choose which holdings in your portfolio you receive alerts for, and if you want the alerts to be through email or mobile. This feature helps streamline your investment process and ensures you don't miss critical information. One of the best aspects of Seeking Alpha, in my opinion, is the diversity of its contributors. You'll find insights from a wide range of backgrounds and investment strategies, helping you make well-informed decisions. The platform also offers in-depth research and analysis on various stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, which is invaluable for diversifying your investment portfolio. All right, lastly, the community aspect of Seeking Alpha can't be overlooked. Engaging with other investors, following expert contributors, and participating in discussions can significantly enhance your investment strategy. You can rely on this community to help crowdsource ideas and learn about counterarguments and opposing views. You'll definitely learn a lot from other people on this platform. When it comes to pricing, Seeking Alpha offers several subscription options. The basic plan is free, but quite limited. At the time of writing this, the Alpha Premium plan is priced at $269 per year. This gives you access to more in-depth features and tools. And for those looking for even more, the Unlimited Pro plan is currently available at $2,400 a year, offering the most comprehensive suite of features for serious investors and professionals. To make it more affordable, I have a limited time $30 discount link in the description, so check that out. So, is Seeking Alpha still a reliable platform for stock research? If you want my honest opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. Seeking Alpha is not just a basic tool. It's a massive community of investors who are all working towards the same goal, making smarter investment decisions. If you're serious about investing, Seeking Alpha is the way to go. Click the link in the description to check out Seeking Alpha and start making smarter investment decisions today. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.